$100,000 a year is really the bare minimum you should expect to earn if you really know a language like C++. Language aside, if you learn valuable skills in software development, you can charge this much or much more and have a lot of freedom with that. So I've landed 5 completely remote 6-figure roles. So for example, I had a $145K software engineering role, doing this from the comfort of my basement in Ohio. And then most recently, I had an offer with $180K base with a total compensation of $240. So even with the scares of layoffs and AI, I've had a very successful time getting these roles, getting multiple offers and negotiating, and I want to help you do the same through learning a language like C++. One of the challenges with learning something on your own, and especially something as complicated as C++ that's been around for many years, you end up spending a substantial amount of time scouring the internet, reading random articles, learning things that are outdated or just not important, and you're never really given a very clear path of, hey, study this to achieve my goal. I only say this because I was in a similar boat when I started in software development. But because I didn't have that, I kind of just studied whatever I thought was interesting or what I thought might be valuable. And as a result, I learned a lot of random stuff, but I don't feel like I had as much value to provide companies. Fast forward 10 years, I'm still doing software, still creating these videos here, but I've learned from my mistakes and I've made it my goal to fill that void for people who might be starting out or early in their career. So I wanted to make this video to announce the reopening of my C++ Mastery course. So it's basically a C course and a C++ course. If you get the C++ course, the C will basically be the foundation you build upon. This is going to lay that foundation, giving you the skills needed for you to be able to learn anything on your own. And this is going to really help as you go into the more advanced tiers. So C Advanced, that's going to go beyond the basics and help you stand out in the industry. Next, we have the C++ Essentials, and we can focus more on new features of C++. That's going to lay a fabulous foundation to then move on into advanced C++ topics. This is when we get into all the cool stuff that you might have heard of, but you don't really understand all the details on. So we'll talk about modules, some important keywords. We'll talk about variable scope and lifetimes and RAII, copying and moving, smart pointers, Dockerizing C++ applications, and cross-compiling with other compilers such as the Zig C++ compiler. This is all part of the idea of building skills to work within a real application, so you'll probably want to learn how to work with Postgres. And then some of my favorite topics, which are type traits, Sphene, and C++20 concepts, and finally multi-threading. And then with all the learning, you're going to get an ebook which goes through all the same material, which can be great for referencing, or if you're starting up your own project and you need to copy over some code, that's a resource for you. Finally, there's an option on here for a mentorship program, which gives you the opportunity to have a more intimate experience with me and other people going through this course. The mentorship program is designed to be a little bit more, which is going to have live weekly group calls. This is also where I'll be sharing all my secrets, how to get a good resume, portfolios, how to get through HR and land interviews, and ultimately how to get offers and negotiate for the highest pay. So that's a pretty good overview of the course, basically giving you everything you need to have a successful C++ career. If you have any questions at all, my email is on the bottom of the page, so you can scroll down and shoot me an email, and I'll try to get back to you. I appreciate all of the support. Even if you don't end up purchasing the course, I am just thankful to have you guys watching the content here on YouTube. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos.